Maximize your SEO effort with ChatGPT. Learn how in 5 easy steps. Hi, I'm Mike Zima and I'm a Chief Marketing Officer, and I use smart marketing artificial intelligence in my business on a daily basis. Heck, this video was actually partially made by artificial intelligence. You've probably already heard about ChatGPT from your grandmother, and I'm going to go into 5 easy steps where you can learn the mechanics of the tool and how to approach it for your business case. It's really simple, so let's get into it. Let's dive in. Let's go. So the first thing you have to do before diving into ChatGPT is come up with a game plan. When you're doing sales and marketing, it's best to put your ideas down on paper and come up with a set of goals, tasks, and objectives. However, ChatGPT here today is a demonstration of what we can do for an SEO campaign and help you bootstrap it, but it's no substitute for a real SEO or a human being, because remember, ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence, but it's not a human. It's something that reacts to something you input and it outputs it, and us SEO marketing people can really utilize that to move quickly in the realm of smart marketing. So here are the 5 strategies we're going to discuss today, and I'm going to show you this in the ChatGPT programmer as well. We're going to identify 10 keywords in a particular niche. We're going to ask for SEO strategies in that niche. We're going to create keyword lists based off of that niche, and you see how we're seeding this all the way through. And then we're going to create FAQs if we're deciding to build a content page or revitalize some content, and then organize the intent of these keywords so we can prioritize versus transactional, informational, or commercial keywords, because all of those are important in terms of your communication strategy, and you don't want to focus on one and neglect another, which is why ChatGPT can actually give you some good bumpers to work out and utilize in your business. So let's dive in and find out how we can use this in the tool. First, I'm going to identify 10 keywords, and this is going to be interchangeable with your industry. I am going to work with a solar and battery manufacturer. So here are some keyword ideas. I'm looking for 10 SEO keywords related to off-grid power. So I'm just going to let that system go in and think a little bit. During high demand, it's going to take some time. As you can see, it's quickly generating the keywords from solar power, energy storage, inverters, batteries, very high level. I'm curious what kind of SEO strategies I could use for a solar contractor. So let's discover the top 5 SEO keyword strategies for a local solar panel installation business, and we're going to let that think. So the first one it's spitting out is the location-based keywords, which are pretty useful and actually a good strategy. Long tail keywords, service keywords, branded keywords are important as well. And you can see what's the last one? Customer testimonials. So it's giving you a lot of good advice here in how to approach this for a solar business. So now I want to optimize a product page or a service page, and I'm just going to actually create a list of 10 SEO keywords related to this product description. So this is going to be a battery pack for a solar panel, and I'm going to go ahead and drop that into ChatGPT, give it a little bit of time to think, and you can see it's just going to do something. A lot of mastery happening back there. So portable solar power station, backup power station, off-grid power. And you can see it's giving me a nice list of keywords. I could use this against a keyword tool to see what the search volume is, what the cost per click is, and start really making a list of priorities and tasks that I can use in order to succeed in online marketing. I know which keywords I want to rank for, and now I want to create FAQs for a particular service page, and this is going to relate to off-grid power. And these are the headings for those questions, and I can go in there and either create these frequently asked questions and make a nice little resource center on my website, or I can go ahead and actually see what sort of search volume some of these frequently asked questions might produce and create a list and prioritize based off of the winners and avoid some of the other ones that could be distractions. So now the keyword research from here above, I'm going to plug into this. And this is why this tool is so useful, because you can plug and play and build templates based off of it. So I'm organizing this by informational, commercial, or transactional value. And it's going to give it a little bit of time to think. These are pretty broad, right? We're talking about the broadest topics here. And if I spent more time diving into some of those long tail keywords as ChatGPT recommended, I'm probably going to get a lot more useful insights if I spend more time. But you can see through a pretty quick demonstration, I'm already working through a handful of tasks. This could take me an hour. Now I am jumping the curve here and doing something in 10 minutes and really finalizing and auditing my workflow. So let's see. All right. Wow. It's making a table. And it's giving me tables of information that I can actually utilize in my reporting, in my marketing plan, in my business plan. So this is giving you a great set of guidelines in order to understand what it's going to take your business to the next level. We have a little caveat here. The search intent can vary based on the context and individual user search query. This table provides a general idea of the typical search intent for these keywords. While this is an impressive tool and you should really utilize it in your business right now. I hope you found this video useful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment here below. I want to see some of your outputs that you're getting from ChatGPT so I can review them and see what I would do differently. In the meantime, I'll see you later and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for watching. If you're still unsure about your digital marketing question, be sure to request a free marketing audit from Zima Media, where one of our marketing consultants will create a personalized video response and address every single one of the smart marketing opportunities to grow your business.